If you want to add pagination to your blog main or blog archive page, EverWeb makes this easy to do. In this example, I have a blog that contains 35 posts. I want my visitors to only be able to view the 25 most recent posts from the blog main page. When viewing the blog main page, I want my visitors to see the 4 most recent blog posts and have pagination available so that they can access the remaining 21 posts. In my example, my visitors would use the blog archive page to access the full list of 35 posts. To start, I select the blog main page in the web page list and then click on the blog main widget itself. This widget lists the blog posts that you see displayed in the editor window. In the widget settings, first change the total number of posts field. This sets the number of blog posts out of my total of 35 that I want to be displayed. In my example, I only want to display the most recent 25 blog posts, so I set the value at 25. The page will update accordingly, so you only see the 25 most recent posts. Next, move down to the Pagination Options section and click on the Show Pagination Buttons checkbox. The pagination options now become available. I can now select how many of the posts from the 25 display posts I want to see at any one time. In my example, I'm going to set the value of posts per page at 4. At the bottom of the blog main widget, the pagination buttons display. Note that the value of the total number of posts field must be less than or equal to the number of actual posts you have created in the post page. In addition, the post per page value must always be at least 2 less than the total number of posts value for the pagination buttons to display. The editor window will update. I now only see 4 posts per page. As I have 25 posts that I want to display, the pagination buttons update to show numbered buttons 1 through 5. I can now set the other pagination options to color the currently selected buttons' background color, the background color of the buttons that are currently disabled, and the background of the numbered buttons. The buttons can be made rectangular by setting the border radius to 0. With a maximum value of 50, the buttons will appear elliptical. If you want to change the font and font size and style of the pagination buttons, simply double-click on the pagination buttons in the editor window. The whole row will become highlighted. Next, click on the Fonts button in the toolbar and change the font and font sizes you want using the Fonts panel. Preview your page before publishing.